Have you ever wondered if VLC is finally showing its age on Mac, or if IINA is really the modern replacement everyone talks about? The answer is a little more complicated than many reviews make it seem. After comparing both media players, the results show that each has clear strengths as well as noticeable weaknesses. So the better choice depends on what you actually expect from your daily media player. VLC has built its reputation over many years by supporting an enormous range of video and audio formats without requiring additional codecs. It remains one of the most reliable options for opening almost any media file, making it a dependable choice for users who value compatibility above everything else. However, on macOS, VLC can sometimes feel dated. Its interface isn't as polished as native Mac applications, and while performance is generally stable, the overall experience doesn't always blend naturally with Apple's design language. IINA takes a different approach. Built specifically with macOS users in mind, it offers a cleaner interface, smoother animations, dark mode integration, picture-in-picture support, touch bar compatibility on supported Macs, and controls that feel much more like a native Mac app. Navigation is intuitive, and everyday tasks often require fewer clicks than VLC. That said, IINA isn't perfect either. Since it is based on the MPV engine, some advanced settings may confuse casual users, and occasional updates have introduced small bugs or compatibility issues for certain users. In terms of playback quality, both players deliver excellent video and audio performance for most common formats. So there isn't a dramatic winner when it comes to watching movies or TV shows. Resource usage is also fairly similar on modern Macs, although performance can vary depending on file type and hardware. Looking at the overall results, VLC continues to be the safer choice for maximum compatibility and long-term reliability, while IINA offers a more modern, enjoyable macOS experience. Neither media player is objectively better for everyone, and switching from VLC to IINA only makes sense if you value a cleaner interface and tighter macOS integration more than VLC's proven versatility and universal file support. Ultimately, both applications accomplish the same core job well, but they prioritize different user experiences, making the final decision a matter of personal preference rather than a clear winner.